Imagine a house that is just as stunning outside as it is inside. It's engineered for entertainment. It is charming and comfortable. It made a priority out of privacy, and it was architecturally unique. Well, that is exactly what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to break down all of those points for you in a walkthrough that we're going to do together. We're going to get into that right now. Now, my name is Keith Duble, and I serve the greater Austin area, guys. And if you like a house in Austin, in a particular area of Austin, I've probably sold a house there. We've been doing it a very long time. We sell a lot of real estate. It's what we love to do. We're featuring the Kellan plan, which used to be called the Vanguard plans by Toll Brothers. They bring us this house today. Now, this house is not new. It's been demonstrated in a lot of other walkthroughs by a lot of other incredible agents, but there's just not enough to say about this house. So I wanted to feature it because it is absolutely beautiful. When we talk about outside in design, what I mean by that is when a house is just as stunning, inviting, entertaining, engaging outside as it is inside. It's got a thoughtful plan outside. It's got activities outside while maintaining the privacy of the property. That is this plan, and it was just engineered for entertainment, which we will get into with point number 2. You look at this courtyard area that we just kind of walked through, and there's so much to offer there. It is a beautiful, beautiful area, and you'll see windows all over the place. So we have incredible privacy because that wall is surrounding the property, which we'll talk about a little bit more later. But we also have that open, flowy, viewy kind of feel in the home that just makes it feel even bigger than it is. So speaking of size, this plan starts at about 4,671 square feet. It's 4 to 5 bedrooms, 4.5 to 5.5 bathrooms. It's got 3-car garage, and it's 2 stories. And again, that size can go up from there depending on what you do. There's 4 different type of exteriors. This plan has got the Mediterranean finish, in case you haven't noticed, with the tile roof and that crazy, beautiful, finish out on the top of the elevation. It screams Mediterranean. It's just gorgeous. This kitchen is huge. It's got a ton of storage, all the things that you would expect in a property at this price point, which is going to begin right at about $1.044 million, all the way up to about $1.64 million or $1.065 million. And this one has probably got $150,000 to $200,000 in finishes in it. And it is just amazing. So this dining space, I wanted to kind of point out here, a lot of people are getting away from the formal dining area, but these guys, what they're doing on the Kellan plan is they're putting that one dining space here. And how can you blame them? It's surrounded on 2 sides by glass because they want you to see the view. And whether it's on this lot or another lot, this house is built on larger lots. So you definitely want to be able to enjoy the outside when you're sitting at the dining table there and gathering with your friends and your family. You want to be able to see views to the outside. This house is served by a very large pantry. It's got a ton of space, and what's cool about this is that it wraps around under the stairwell here with a flip. With the flip of the switch, you can get that light back there, and it's got that glass panel in the door. We're not going to go around that back part because they've got some stuff stored there. We want to give them a little space, the builders, I mean. So when you're outside, inside, that flowy plan that I was referring to with the sliding doors, it just feels so much bigger. And we're going to go down the other hallway momentarily into that laundry space, but you can just see glass everywhere. It really just opens up the house. I love the beams. I love the hardwood floor, and it is amazing. This house we'll get into a little bit more in a moment, was what I like to call engineered for entertainment. Now, what do I mean by that? That means it just has so much to do. And they thought about it well in advance when they were designing the plan, to where it doesn't rob you of common areas that you normally may not use. So you're going to use your entertaining areas when you have a lot of activities going on in your home. But if you're just, chilling Monday through Friday, you've got family coming in and out, doing your thing, school, work, coming home, leaving, whatever you need to do, you're probably not partying it up in the bonus space, right? So it doesn't take away from any of those spaces and the square footage there, and they want to keep it nice and comfortable. Look at this laundry space. So we have a folding table in the middle, not folding, it doesn't fold, but you can fold laundry there. You've got 2 columns of cabinets that are vertical cabinets. You've got the sink. Actually, I have a walkthrough that I just talked yesterday. If you're interested in a property that is less than $600,000 and it is 5 bed, 4 baths, and it's got a sink in the laundry room, you can check out the link here for a property that I just listed in New Braunfels. But not to take away from this house, we're going back into this guest room. And this guest room, very large, nothing to, nothing missing in this room. It's ensuite, so it has that walk-in shower, single vanity, serves this bedroom. Guys, and I just want to point out something to you. Do you know if a house is built for entertainment? If it's, you hear people talk about, a lot of realtors will list homes, entertainer's dream. Have you ever heard that or seen that on a listing? Entertainer's dream. Do you know how you know if a house is an entertainer's dream? If it's got more bathrooms than bedrooms. Well, this house, the plan is capable of having more bathrooms than bedrooms. You can have up to 5 bedrooms, but 5.5 bathrooms. And that means that everybody has got, you've got bathrooms all over the house, sprinkled everywhere, so that anybody at any time has got somewhere to go. So that is a really cool feature, and it's really smart and really thoughtful. And again, just well placed throughout the house. A great feature. We're coming into the owner's suite, heading into this formal bath, this owner's bath. You have the glass cabinets. You have with the glass panels on the cabinets. You have that tray ceiling. They have the same wood on the floors and the ceiling. It's a very smart design. And this is actually a garage. I'm just kidding. It's the bathroom shower, walk-in shower with a seat. So much space in there. And I love how the handles are right on the left as you come around that door, that opening, so that you don't have to go stand under the shower to turn the water on and get freezing cold water on you. Now, guys, I want to say that I want to be 100% transparent with you guys and be really genuine when I'm walking through these homes. I'm not a terribly huge fan of this owner's closet. I feel like there's a little bit lacking in that closet size. Definitely large, but if you're going to be paying over $1 million, you definitely want to have storage. A lot of builders, will do his and hers, or dueling closets, however you want to call it. But that closet space, it's generous, but I've definitely seen bigger for the price point. Not to take away from the home, that's just my own opinion. Coming back around, I want to show you this office. There's a half bath here that serves this office. I love the design, all the finishes. They put the wallpaper in here. It's cool light fixtures. Everything is really gorgeous in this half bath. But this office is absolutely gorgeous. Look at all this wood trim. Everything's finished out so lovely. You got these arched windows in the front there, really kind of give it that classy finish. And there's just a ton of space in here. It's a really well thought out office space. So we're going to head out of this office and half bath space. I can't wait to show you the upstairs. Now, when we talk about engineered for entertainment, you'll see here, it is just, this bonus space has got so much going for it. And not only that, you can serve it with the bar and everything that's up here. And I just want to pause for a second and just point out all the lights. And if you like this plan, by the way, check out our plan. Judy and I did a walkthrough on the Linmar 2, and it is a very cool plan. It's by Drees, and it's over in another community called Clearwater Ranch, and it is just beautiful. And we did a walkthrough. It's one of our most popular videos, so definitely want to point that out to your attention. If you like this plan, I think you'll really like that plan. It's beautiful. So back in here to another guest bedroom that's upstairs. We're going to swing back around. There's another bedroom over there. There's a utility closet slash kind of a media closet right there for all of your, Cat 5 and all the things that you use for entertainment. Another bedroom up here with a vaulted ceiling. They put some really cool finish work on the wall back there, some design pattern. Swing back around. The wrought iron railing, you can see right through, is a very modern finish, looking right down. It's kind of a really cool blend of classic, and there's some modern touches that really give it, that blended finish experience. Is beautiful. And then here is that bonus space. Now they have a really cool ping pong table in the space, but look at this area here. You've got the bar with the 2 fridges, cabinets, got the backsplash on the wall there. I wish it had a sink. It does not have a sink, but it is a beautiful finish. They put the shelves with those metal poles against each wall here, so that you can kind of do whatever you want to, set up a computer. Here is the theater with all of the shiplap on the walls and those seats. It's kind of got the theater effect where you step down, you're gonna walk down the front. They got the cabinets here. Now you could remove all of those cabinets, maybe just the uppers. There's 2 uppers on either side. You could remove those and do a much larger screen if you wanted to, or just remove them all, but it's really good additional storage in that space. Now we're going to come back into another room here that's off the theater. This is another bedroom, and you'll see all the bedrooms are really good size. They didn't just try to cram them in, really good size. So a lot to enjoy in this bedroom here. Now, just a real quick kind of point about Treviso. Treviso is a community on top of the hill. It's in Leander. I remember the first time I came through Treviso, I almost got with some of our builder partners and built a model home ourselves. We didn't do it. One of the biggest mistakes in my career. We really should have just got a lot. I thought the lots were a little pricey 5, 6, 7 years ago. Not the case, should have got it. But they're known for the views, and here you can see why. The views are amazing. So Leander, this part of Leander, Treviso, is actually at the gateway of the hill country. It's on Highway 1431, heading west. You keep going, you end up in Marble Falls, and that is where there's lakes and camping, and it's just a beautiful little town. And it's just so much going on over here. I love the Texas Hill Country. By the way, the wine scene is exploding. If you love wine, it's only Fredericksburg from this neighborhood here is only about an hour and 20 minutes away. Wineries all over. It's beautiful. Now, just back to that outside inn, it's just look at all the finishes out here. They put all these beams and then the shiplap plus the trim and just dueling TVs on either wall. So much to offer. But you'll notice too, as you go outside and look around the aerial view of this property, privacy is of utmost importance and significance. And just on the finishes, you'll see just an incredible attention to detail with that architectural uniqueness. All of the finishes, the way the house is designed, put together, it's just architected to just be beautiful. It has a fully custom feel, and it is just so much offering, so much going on here. Thank you again. I just want to say thank you so much for taking time to walk through this plan. I'm gonna take you back outside. We're not done just yet. I'm gonna take you outside and show you this lower patio, and it is it's super convenient. Flows right down into this big backyard space where they put the limestone seating around here, and then these limestone larger steps that they have separated between with it's called Black Star Stone. It's beautiful. And what is just a great way to kind of cap off this walkthrough. And we can see the backyard, we can see the views. It is just beautiful. If you like this walkthrough and you thought it was super helpful, please let me know if there's anything I could do to serve you. Feel free to ask questions, and I would be just so thankful for the opportunity to serve you. We take care of folks coming in from all over the place. I've been doing this for 12 years. I think last year we did about 25 new construction. Of course, we do a ton of other things, 50-something transaction annually. But we work a lot. Almost half of our business is working with builders, which means we do a ton with builders, and we have great relationships, and we can serve you. So if you need a lender, or you need an inspector, or you just want to know about the layout in the neighborhood, if you just want my opinion, ask me, shoot me a note below. And if you guys like this video, please like, comment, maybe subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that. That little like button is lonely. Why don't you just poke it and just share how you feel about this video. We certainly appreciate you taking time to look at this with us. And man, we will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much. We're going to close out here with some drone footage, and I certainly appreciate you taking time to watch this. Have an awesome day, and feel free to shoot me a comment below if you have any questions.